I'm back, and I did the classic Wyatt thing of waiting till like 4 o'clock to start working in the garage. But hey, we're here. So now we're gonna quickly just get this bolted in. We're gonna get this all dealt with. I'm gonna take this upstairs with me, and I'll bring you guys upstairs with me. And I'm gonna find a bolt that's gonna fit in here. Then I'm gonna get a drill bit, some big washers, and I'm going to put 2 bolts and finish the seatbelt, and it's going to be glorious. It's going to be glorious. All right. Now, welcome upstairs to the Home Depot section. As you can see, this is the Home Depot. We've got like orange scaffolding, and we got, oh man, I am out of shape. I've gained a lot of COVID weight. This is bad. All the nuts and bolts that I could ever need, you know? So I'm going to get that all picked out. And yeah. I got these bigger ones, and they just fit. Perfect snug fit, and definitely big and strong. I'm going to, I guess, take a seat in here. Yuck. Figure out, oh my gosh. Figure out where my seating position is. Let's see. Does it seem right? Seems good. I feel like I want to go 1 notch forward. Hello. I had to wiggle it. I had to wiggle it. That was not planned. That was all right. Okay. I'm a small child. Don't judge me. All right, I think this is good. I'm going to get a measuring tape and measure, I guess, 13 inches from the back of the seat forward. Mark the spot with a felt. Oh. Oh. And then hopefully I can move the seat back enough so that I can get the drill in there, but I kind of doubt it. But let's go to get a tape. Say hello to my little M&M. She's how I adjust the seat. It looks to be right on this ridge here, and I think so. I can't get into the bump. I could take the seat out, put it behind the bump, but I'm lazy. What's safer? I don't know what's safer. To take it out, take the seat out. Yeah, I'm gonna take the extra 5 minutes. I'm gonna unbolt the seat. Give me a sec, I'm gonna pop the seat out. The seat is out, and it's getting dark. I'm gonna go get a light and light this up a little better. Got myself a light. Alright, so it wanted it to go on this hump. Kind of feel something on the hump. I wonder if that's a bolt. No, it's not. I think the best place for it would be right here. This goes out, whoops, on the seat like this. This goes up the seat. So this should be like here. And so that's about where I'm going to put it. It's right there in the middle. I'll show you when I get the drilling. I'm just gonna make sure that I can get it from the other side and all that hullabaloo. Yeah, let's go. there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The hole. See the light through? We've got a hole. Let's clean it up a little bit. I don't want to stab my camera or my light. But look, there we go. Isn't that get off there. Fantastic. Now we take our bolt, which we seem to have misplaced, and see if it goes in the hole. It's a bit of a tight fit, but it goes in. Now I got washers for the top, although I don't know if it's 100% necessary. So I think I can just stick this through, just like so. And then I can take this in a washer and go underneath. So it wasn't actually sticking out as far as I thought. You see there's that over there and everything. So I just put 2 washers on the top, like this. No light. Like this, so that there's one underneath and there's one here, and that should be good enough to give it a little bit of spacing. Clamp it in there. It should be okay. And this is pulled tight. Everything is good in there, and all is as it should be. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that down, bolt that down, and then I'm gonna put a hole kind of across from this one here, over on this. So this side over here, it kind of goes somewhere over here. I gotta put a mount for this belt. Now, the belt's inside. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I could find a longer bolt and put it in this hole where the seat belt is. It doesn't seem very safe, but getting into this sidewall, this is where the exhaust runs. Getting into this doesn't seem like it'll be easy from the other side, like from the underneath, to get that bolted in. So I don't know, I'm gonna poke around and see what I can figure out. But first things first is get this one bolted in, and yeah, just get this bolted in, and should be good. This still slides freely in there. We're not crimping it down at all. It sits freely. It's not touching. Don't worry. Even when it pulls up like this, as it should be okay. So that one's good to go. Now we just have the side one to do. And why do I always start so late? But we're getting there. This is awesome. Awesome possum. Where'd my wrench go? That's a stick. That's a gross stick. That's a gross stick. Where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? Oh man. Is it in camera frame? Do I look like an idiot? No. This is there, but I had a wrench that I was using on the other side, and oh, it's still hanging there. It was hanging on the underside. As you can see, I've jacked the car up. I have some blocks under it for safety. It'll fuck up the car if it falls, but it won't crush me. So that's way more important than the car. And I'm going to take some measurements to make sure that that's in the right location. Some extra measurements. And then, yeah, I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to try to go as high as possible, I guess. Or I'll keep it at the same height. I'm going to try to replicate that hole over there. Do my best. Let's see how this goes. Whoa, the door just slammed into me. This is going to be fun. I'm not going to record this because it's wet outside and my camera's getting wet. I'll record it when I'm bolting in because you'll be able to see that. As I'm sitting here working on this, I just found out I passed the 10 subscriber mark. I got 11 subscribers. Wow. So that's pretty cool. And oh yeah, this, I have it on. There it is. And this is on. And they're across from each other. And this is what it looks. And these seats, I had to take the seat out. I put it in the back because it's pouring rain out. Well, it's not pouring, but it's raining enough that where it would get wet and then get gross in here. So now I am going to, let's see, get this stupid drill out of here. I don't need it no more. Now I'm going to put the seat back in. So I'll show you once the seat's back in, and I'll try to buckle myself up as best as I can in here. That'll be fun. Alrighty. Okay, I got it in. As you can see though, it is pouring rain really bad. So there's the seat all in. Let's try sitting in it. Whoa, we're in here. We are in here. There's nowhere for me to really put my camera. Okay. Do I have the key for this thing? I do. I'm gonna start it up to get the heat blowing in here to help dry it off. We're neutral. Should let it warm up, and then I'm gonna turn the heat on when I'm not recording. But right now, this is too long. That's okay. So this goes over me. Okay. Okay. So I don't know what I'm doing. What do the instructions say? Help me, instructor. Help me. What? Okay. So it shows it like that way. And this is how I would be looking down at it. It just seems really loose. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna upload this video. Can anybody tell me if this is vaguely, I mean, it's not tight on my chest or anything right now, but is, where is it? Is that vaguely how it's supposed to go? Or I have this completely wrong? Because to me, that's what it looks like in the picture. You have these two going up. It's obviously gonna be tighter, right? I guess. And this pulling down. I guess when it's tighter, it'll sit like that. And I guess that's okay. I hope so. Well, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching Gib Garage. Also, did I zoom in? Am I zoomed in? Oh yeah, I'm zoomed in. Wee. Thanks for watching Gib Garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
2 marvelous hours later.
Time may be exaggerated for dramatic effect.
Never mind, I figured it out. I figured out how the latch goes on. I figured out that they all go on here. They all go on here. So this goes on here. Right? And then this goes on here. And then this goes on here. Alright, hold on. Putting you down for a sec. I'm like, because it doesn't, I was like, it doesn't release well. I'm like, if I get stuck in here, I'm not going to be able to pull the release. And so they all go, you see that? They all go on this piece. And then that piece gets there, and boom, look at that. We're latched in, minus this piece, because this is not tight at all. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten these up a little bit. But other than that, I figured it out. So we're strapped in now, and then when I'm burning alive, I can just take this, do that, and boom, I'm free. I can get right out, no problem. Figured it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Gibb Garage, and see you in the next video.